Hi YouTube, what's up? My name is Ernest and this is my channel, Nesh Daily RC. And right now I have my eachine RC helicopters. This is the budget RC helicopters from eachine, the entry-level RC helicopters. Of course from eachine. And this is the eachine e119. This is fly barless. And this is powered by 3.7 volts 400 milliamperes LiPo battery, and this is the battery of eachine e119. Look at this. So this guy has no altitude hold, so it's all manual. It is a brush motor, fixed pitch. By the way, I want to point out that this is a fixed pitch RC helicopter. As you can see in the design of the propeller, it's a ordinary propeller. It's a regular one, so it doesn't have the special design. It does not have a special design propeller like those of a collective pitch RC helicopter, or the RC helicopters that you can do aerobatics, stuff like that, inverted flight, like that, TikTok, and loop, stuff like that. So this is a ordinary RC helicopter, good for beginners to learn how to fly, basic orientations, and to learn how to fly in general, to learn how to fly RC helicopter, because this is a, I believe this is a little bit complicated toy compared to quadcopters, because this RC helicopter, of course, composed of only one motor. See, so you have to fly this very carefully. It doesn't have counter-rotating blades or motors like of those quadcopters, wherein you can, at least you can fly the quadcopter more confident and more stable because of the four rotors counter-rotating. When it's counter-rotate, it creates a very stable flight, and this one doesn't have those kind of counter-rotating, because I have mentioned it has only one propeller and one motor and one tail motor, which determine the rotation of the RC helicopter. And look at the design, guys. It's very different, totally different from quadcopters, because it has some servos here like that, and this is the swash plate, which determines the pitch of the helicopter, and it dictates the forward flight, backward flight, sideward flight, and rotation flight of the helicopter. It is all because of the swash plate and the servos here. So that's the principle of the RC helicopter. It's very different, guys, take note. So in my opinion, this is a little bit more complicated to fly than a quadcopter. So as you can see, this is the battery bay. Okay, this is the servos, the motor. Look at the servos. It got two servos. By the way, this is 4-channel RC helicopter, just like a regular quadcopter RC helicopter, RC plane. It has four channel, meaning you can fly it forward, backward. That's the first channel. Second channel, first channel is forward and backward. And the second channel is sideward, left, right. And the third channel is rotation, like that, rotation in its axis. And the fourth channel is the throttle, or the up and downward flight of the RC helicopter. So this is a very basic helicopter, guys, RC helicopter, and this is very fun to fly. eachine e119, it's a entry-level RC helicopter, beginner. It's very quiet to fly because of the very tiny gears of the main gear. Those gears, so tiny, so fine. And this is the this is a tail boom, and this is the tail motor. So right, so this is good for beginners, guys. Also, this is the eachine e120. By the way, this is the eachine what? eachine e119. Oh yes, this is the eachine e119, and this is the eachine e120. So this is the latest edition of or latest model of RC helicopter from eachine. This is eachine e120. This is very nice helicopter. It's got a 4 blades. So very nice. Look at the design. Very cute. BO. This is also known as BO-105 RC helicopter. eachine e120. Others call it BO-105. Look at the design. I don't know exactly what's the design of this, or the model design. I just don't know. Maybe I should try to read the manual, the user manual. But anyway, so just comment guys, what do you think the model of this RC helicopter? Is this easy or the Eurocopter? I don't know. I don't know exactly, but this one catches my attention from the online shopping platform. This is a very cool RC helicopter. Look at this. And it's got a vision positioning system according to the specs, user manual. And it's got a intelligent flight battery. So guys, take note of that. A RC helicopter with the intelligent flight battery. How cool is that? So this is the power button. It's got a, look at that. Maybe it's called the intelligent flight battery because of this 4 LED lights, which tells you which tells the pilot about the percentage. The bars, LED lights, not the bars, but it could help you determine the level of the percentage of the, or the level of the battery power of your RC helicopter. And it's got a front searchlight, which is very cool. I think I have to bind this so that you can be able to take a closer look at the front searchlight. Look at that, guys. And this one got the rear. It's got a red rear light. This is also an indicator of a low battery warning, stuff like that. So when the RC helicopter detects low battery, low voltage, so this one blinks, or yeah, this one keeps on blinking. And also this one, I guess. So look at this, guys. This is very cute. And look at this. And this is the 2.4 gigahertz controller. So this is also very cool controller radio from eachine. So this is very nice, guys. This is the manual, user manual. Look at this. Look at the design, guys. Very nice. Look at the attention to details, guys. eachine e120. Very nice. So far, This is my RC helicopter from my fleet. So I just got two RC helicopters. Before I got some RC helicopters, I have the 450 size Walkera V450. So but for some reasons I sold it. And also I had WL toys, you know, the one that can do some aerobatics and some 3D flight, but I was not able to fly it in 3D. More on stabilized flying, guys. Because I'm not a 3D guy. I'm not a 3D pilot guy. So, and besides, I don't want to damage the RC helicopter. And before, I had some cool looking RC helicopters like the XK K124, the one that blue color, blue and white, and it's also a very cool looking RC helicopter. It's almost as the size of this e120 from eachine, so it's almost the same size. So I think RC helicopters are the very cool RC stuff today. So I find it more fun to fly because you don't need a lot of space. You don't need a massive space, big space to fly this RC or to have fun. So even in your living room, you can just fly this and have fun. You don't need such a big spaces like the one that when you want to fly a RC plane, fixed wing, you need a big space for landing and takeoff. But this one, since RC helicopters takes off vertically and lands vertically, so no problem for the flying field or the flying spot. So no problem at all. You can bring it anywhere because of the size. This is the advantage of RC helicopters, guys, especially this kind of a micro RC helicopter. So it's just too small. Sometimes you can just place it in your bag. You can place it in your pocket, in your motorcycles, utility box. So unlike those RC planes, which had massive wings, it's hard to transport. Yeah, this is one thing that I like about RC helicopters are the the portability, guys. Yeah, portability, especially this micro RC helicopters. You can have fun in no time because it's easy to carry around. You don't need a car, a truck to move these RC helicopters. Even a motorcycle, you can move this. Just place it in your backpack and you're ready to have fun. So yeah, that's it, guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. And please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. So eachine e119 and eachine e120, just a short demo of specs, right?